If you are a working professional with 2 to 4 years of experience, then this video is for you. Watch the video till end and I will explain everything in detail. So this job posting is from Myntra and the role is of Associate Business Planning. The main skills required are data analysis and business planning. This job is located in Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. This is about the company. This will be roles and responsibilities. You will be owning business units, delivering revenue and gross margin targets. You will be driving pricing, coupon strategy, promotional strategies, and track sales ROI using dashboards. So, data analysis is the important skill required here. You will be conducting market research and analysis to determine optimal pricing strategies. Again, data analysis is required. You will be analyzing traffic trends, customer funnel to drive traffic and revenue. This also comes in data analysis and dashboard creation. You will be conducting RCAs to identify problems and take actions. You will be collaborating with stakeholders to develop and implement pricing changes. Qualifications and experience requirements. You need bachelor's degree in engineering, finance, economics, business or related field. You need strong analytical skills and attention to detail. You need proficiency in SQL, Python, Excel, and data analysis tools like Power BI. You need excellent communication and interpersonal skills and ability to work independently and collaborate effectively within the team. So please mention teamwork, data analysis tools like Power BI, SQL, Python in your projects and in your skills to boost your ATS score. So your resume can get shortlisted and you can move further in the process. So let us move on to required skills. So required skills are data analysis, business planning, and the required education is UG, PG, B.Tech or M.Tech. And this is a full-time job. So this was about the job. This is a great opportunity from Myntra. You can easily get into Myntra without coding or DSA through this opportunity. Please apply for this job. I will provide you the link in description. Also subscribe our channel for latest job updates.